Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using the laser. Don't go anywhere. We're going to be doing a really cool job. This is for graduation, so don't go anywhere. Be right back. Okay, so today we're going to be cutting stalls, and some of you may not know what stalls are. I didn't even know what the heck they were. So anyways, that's what this is. No, I am not a priest. But we're going to be, let me stand back a little bit so you can see them. So that's what this is, and what we're going to be doing with this, we're going to be sublimating them. But that's going to be for another video, not in this video. This video, we're only going to be cutting them. And I'm not going to be sewing, strictly cutting, just using the Cam 5 laser. That's all we're going to be using. So that's it. We're just going to be cutting stalls. Let me show you some that I already cut. So this is what they look like, just, you know, pieces of fabric. This is 100% polyester that we're going to be, again, we're going to be sublimating, but not in this video, so stay tuned, because the next video, that's what we're going to be doing, is sublimating those stalls. Just going to do some samples. So let me turn everything on. Guys, you already know, as soon as I turn this thing on, it's going to get very loud, but you can still hear me. You'll see the laser. You know what it does. You know, if you guys are in the market for a laser, make sure you check out Cam 5 lasers. I'm using Cam 5's CMA 51 CMA 5136. That means that it can cut 51 inches long by 36 inches wide. K. The model is CMA 5136K as in kilo, and the K is the one that can raise and lower. So yeah, you can also do mugs, you can do cylindrical stuff with this one. So because you have the adjustment or the raise and lower adjustment ability on this one, really cool. So give them out, you know, check them out. Cam 5 lasers, Cam 5 USA lasers. And if you guys are in the market for one of these, and if you guys want to buy one from Cam 5, make sure you use discount code liberty01. I don't get anything, guys. I don't get no kickbacks. You guys get all the discounts. How much discount are you gonna get? I have no idea. I don't know what you're gonna buy. But yeah, if you guys are in the market for a Cam 5 laser, or, you know, just go check them out. Maybe you'll buy a laser, you know, fiber laser. Maybe you'll get a CO2 laser. This is a CO2 laser. I don't know, they have all kinds of stuff, so go check them out. Okay, tell them Juan from Liberty Graphics sent you. Make sure you get your discount. Let me turn everything on, guys. Everything's gonna get loud in here. I'm gonna bring you over here closer so you guys can see the laser in action. So let me turn it on. Power supply's on. Laser's on. Now let me go turn on the vacuum kind of thing, the extractor, so it'll pull all the fumes and everything out. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so now that we have everything on and ready to go, all I gotta do now is stretch my fabric. Guys, this fabric right here, this 100% polyester, this is actually what we have left over when we do our all-over t-shirts. If you haven't seen our video on all-over t-shirts, go check it out. But make sure you watch this video too. So let me fix this. And I'm actually cutting 2 layers because the stalls, you know, it has a front and back. And the good thing about the laser is that it actually fuses the two together. This is actually 2 layers. Let me show you. It actually helps me because when I go to sew them, the sides are already fused, so they won't move on me when I'm sewing them. And I can't even get this apart. So there you go. So you can see that there's 2 layers. So there you go. I'm cutting front and back, and then all I do, just gotta sew all the way around and complete the actual stall. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay this fabric nice and flat so the laser can cut it. So again, these are scraps. Here at Liberty Graphic Designs, we try to utilize everything that we can. We don't throw anything away. If we can use a little bit out of this, we are going to use it. So again, this is scraps and we're going to turn it into another product. We can also turn this one into face mask, but in this case, we are going to use it for stores. So the laser's already been set up. It's ready to go. All I have to do is just press one button and then you'll see the laser working. So here we go. And I'm gonna let it go in real time so you guys can see how fast it actually cuts. It'll actually cut faster, but this is a good speed for me. So this is what they look like once they are cut. Just like that. So all I gotta do now is sew them together. Again, you're not going to see that on this video. We're only cutting. So we just move the fabric to the end of the line, set it up for the next cut. And usually what I do is I like to cut the excess so it's not in the way. So we cut there and there. Now, if we had a use for this, we'll use it, but this is too small. There's nothing that we can use this for. Now we'll throw it away. And as you saw me doing at the beginning, I'm gonna set up the next layer so the laser can cut it. Here we go for a second one. And as simple as that, it's cut and ready to go. Whoo! Now, be careful with lasers, guys. Oh my God. Be really careful with lasers because see, I'm laying. I know you guys cannot see me all that good, but I was standing too close to the laser. I'll show you what happened just now. The laser actually hit the back of my arm, cut my jacket, and it went through my shirt, and it actually hit me. I don't know how bad, but I can feel the burn like right there. So yeah, guys, you want to be careful. Not the laser, that laser didn't hit me, but the beam actually travels right through here. And I was standing way too close, just like that, and the beam hit me right behind me. When I lifted my arm, the beam also hit right there. So look at that. You see where it cut a hole right there? But this is the one that got me. I don't know how bad it got me, but I can feel it like right there. And also you can see it, well, you cannot see it on the video, but right here it didn't cut because that's where it hit me. Let me show you where it didn't cut. Okay, so you can see the line where the laser actually cut, but right here there's nothing. That's when my arm was right in the way. So I'm gonna have to send the laser again so I can cut that part. And you'll see it coming right through here. And it'll cut this one part right there. I'm gonna try to stay clear so it doesn't hit me again. Okay, so that's it, guys. This one right here, as you can see, let me cut it. I'm gonna cut the waist. So whatever I cannot use. Okay, so this will be waste. It's already trash. However, if you see little pieces like this, we will not throw them away because this small piece seems like trash, but to me it's actually piece of fabric that I can use for, you know, testing, or I can actually get a face mask or two off of this. So pieces like this, I will save them. As you can see, this is what I was using as, or this is what was scrap, and as you can see, it's quite a bit. So all this scrap, it was gonna go in the trash. It just keeps on coming out. But instead of putting it in the trash, we can turn it into something else. This does not work for a shirt because the t-shirt will be way too big for something like this. Unless I'm making like 2 tees, you know, for babies and stuff like that, then yes. But in this case, let me turn the laser off. Okay, so I had to turn everything off because it's too loud and I feel like I'm screaming. So what I was saying, guys, this is all my scrap from when we make those all over t-shirts. This would have been going in the trash, but I don't throw it away. I keep it. You know, in this case, we are making another product off of, well, for some people will be scrap. This will end up in a landfill and it's just gonna stay there. This is polyester, it probably never disintegrate. Well, we're gonna turn it into another piece of what do you call it? Garment. In this case, again, stoles. We'll get some mask off of here. We'll get some other stuff off of here. Like for example, for babies, for the 2 tees, 3 tees, all the way to 5 tees, we can still get the sleeves off of some of these pieces. But in this case, we're not gonna be using it for that. Why am I saying that? Is because, guys, if you do something like this, if you have a lot of scraps, find a way to make money off of it. Don't just throw it away. Because, you know, this right here, this is 2 of these become 1 stall. This is an extra $10. How many am I gonna get off of here? Quite a bit. So that's extra money. Don't throw it away. If you guys have a laser, make sure you utilize it to get the most that you can off of stuff like this. Get it off of the landfills, you know, make some money. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna continue cutting all of this right here. This is too much for me to put it in the video and we will be here till tomorrow. It's already kind of late right now. It's about 9:30 p.m. Today is the 7th. I don't even know what today is. The 6th, the 7th, one of those 2 days. But yeah, guys, this is it for this video. Again, I'm gonna be here cutting all this right here, and I got a box right here that I got a lot more scrap. As you can see, I got scrap everywhere. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, guys, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, guys, go ahead, hit the thumbs down. Guys, if you like what you see here in this channel, go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload more crazy videos like this one. I hope you like this video, guys. It's a pleasure, like always, making these videos. I will continue making more product off of here. And if you guys want to grab some of these stalls, let me show you what it looks like once we put it together. If you guys want to get some of these stalls, like if you have somebody in your house that's graduating, or if you have a sublimation business, because that's what this are going to be for sublimating them. If you want to carry this and offer this to your clients, they're going to be on Etsy, on my Etsy store, and you can find a link in the description below. You can find them on my Etsy store. I believe they're going to be up on the 15th of January. So yeah, if you want to grab some, guys. Also, guys, stay tuned because right after this video, we're going to make another video about making bleaching templates, and this is the one that goes on your sleeves. So again, stay tuned because we're going to be making a bunch of these, a lot. These are also going to be for sale on my Etsy store on the 15th. I'm going to try to get them up on Etsy sooner, but right now our target date is the 15th, among other things. Thank you, guys. It was a pleasure, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless you. Good night or good morning or whatever it is, wherever you're watching. Thank you guys for your support, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye-bye now.